Jai Jagannath, welcome back to PM Academy. Dear students, today I am going to give you a very interesting topic relating to the Maharashtra. And Maharashtra government is taking a very nice step for development of children's education or school education particularly for betterment of the and upliftment of the poor and needy children in the rural areas. So that topic is cluster schools in Maharashtra. Before coming to the topic, my request to you to like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share my the videos to other friends and colleagues. Dear students, though it is not a part of your the syllabus of the civil services exam, but it is a topic for you to know about the cluster schools, how the Maharashtra government is going to introduce here. Maharashtra government 1 year back thought about cluster schools. For the first time in Maharashtra, Pune's Panset area, it was experimented and it became successful. Now Maharashtra government thereafter wanted to implement all over the Maharashtra. When it wanted to implement all over the Maharashtra, so initiative was taken and direction was given to all the education officers of the 36 districts to bring the proposals for the cluster schools. Around 1700, more than 1700 proposals have been received by the government of Maharashtra for the cluster schools. But a suo motu litigations in the High Court wants the explanations from the government about the cluster schools. That's why that is government of Maharashtra has to give explanations to the High Court, then it is to be implemented. Now the question comes. Now our objective is how this the cluster school is to be implemented and how the children will take the benefit of it. This the cluster school, particularly in the rural areas, we see the government of Maharashtra run the ZP schools. So ZP schools that is run purely by the government of Maharashtra. But problem is that actual almost all the areas we find the ZP schools in the even the all the villages. But some of the schools having the 5 students, 10 students, 20 students, so and also the lack of teachers because students are less. In this case, actual government decided all the smaller schools nearby and having one school to be created or one bigger school, the smaller schools nearby will be the merged with the bigger schools and more students will be seen in the one campus. Better infrastructure will be the developed and better teacher facility will be developed and that will be a pure educational atmosphere will be the created for the children. That does not mean that in rural areas having the schools having the 10 student 5 student their school will be closed. No, it will not be closed. According to the RT rules, within 1 kilometer radius of that village one school will be there till the standard 5 and till the standard 8 minimum 5 kilometer radius the school will be there, but within the radius of the 1 kilometer one school is there. But having the less number of students like the 2 5 10 20, very difficult for the government to manage. Naturally it is a bigger obstacle having the less number of the students, and these the cluster schools, no doubt it is a very novel step, very good step, very what we can say very wonderful step by the government of Maharashtra, and it can help a lot for the poor and needy children living in the village areas, in the rural areas, because government also trying, if some distance is there from the school, government is also providing the allowances to the students. And one clause is there, suppose a particular government school is there or ZP school is there, remote areas, in inaccessible areas, and students maybe the less, whatever may be the number of the students, but that school will continue. It will not be the part of the cluster schools, because firstly it is inaccessible areas, very difficult for the school kids to come to the distance areas schools, cluster schools. So government decided that the remote inaccessible area school will be there. It will not be a part of the cluster. So when the cluster school will be developed, it will be, it will create the better infrastructure, student teacher ratio will be better, and having the large number of the students, there will be a competition, creativeness, friendly atmospheres, and definitely when the more students are also there, so student interaction will be more and more, and it will definitely create a better educational atmosphere in that campus. And no doubt we all the people have to thank to the government of Maharashtra for this the novel step, because this the rural poor students will take a lot of benefits due to this the cluster schools. Only the thing is that after government giving the explanation to the satisfactory explanation to the high court, then it is to be implemented. We have to wait till that time. This is for today. Thank you very much.